education has made efforts to move from an agrarian economy to an industrial economy and then to a knowledge economy. Having a comprehensive strategy for the same with a long-term view has always paid dividend for the new age knowledge economies. Intellectual property plays a crucial role for enabling this. And to contribute towards the national goals, we as the Education Department took very early steps in not only creating a robust strategy on IP, but also developing end-to-end systems and processes to effectively execute this. To ensure that Gujarat becomes a leading state in creating IP in academia and extracting value from them in 2017, through Student Startup and Innovation Policy, we gave significant emphasis on IPR in the SSIP. We mandated to an upfront support for 1,000 IP filing every year to help young innovators, startups, and researchers. Under this scheme, 25,000 is given for domestic IP filing and 1 lakh rupee is given for filing in other countries or through PCT. Our efforts led to a significant rise in IP filing from the state of Gujarat. By now, over 700 IP have been filed through the state support through SSIP. Over 160 of them have already been published and others are in the process. We have a very comprehensive IP support system and we support almost all kinds of IP like patents, copyrights, design, registration, trademark, etc. We have also mandated that the complete cost of IP support to students, innovators, and startups will be taken care of by State Education Department. This is a bold step with a futuristic vision of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani ji to ensure that every single university in Gujarat plays a key role in intellectual property and add to the knowledge economy. Gujarat is the only state where we also give additional support of INR 25,000 for IP prosecution and allied means once the innovators file the IP in the patent office. This is first of its kind move by any state education department to ensure that our academia become a nursery of creative ideas and get patronage and support system to extract value from the research. Education Department Gujarat was again the first mover to develop a comprehensive guideline for intellectual property for entire academia in Gujarat. We launched this in 2018 and this has given a great fillip to the mandate of SSIP at the grassroots level. We have given stress on keeping our efforts and policies on IPR quite innovator-centric, and there is enough provision for protecting the innovator while ensuring that every stakeholder has a win-win scenario in it. As a part of this, the Education Department has set up a dedicated IP Facilitation Center at Gujarat Student Startup and Innovation Hub, iHub, which will handhold the IP efforts across academia in the state. Every university in the state will ensure that the mandates of the state IP guidelines are implemented at the ground level and set up university-level IP facilitation centers and institutionalize the efforts. Over 200 colleges in Gujarat have now established IP cells and doing grassroots level efforts. To train the human resources in the state, Gujarat Student Startup and Innovation Hub launched large-scale comprehensive course on IP certification and to train all key role players of an ecosystem involving best IP experts across the nation from industry, academia, and practice. This course included 35 modules, 70 plus hours, and 50 plus experts in 3 months and covered a large number of topics like details in different IPR, knowing what IPR is all about, prior art search, patent drafting, national and international patent applications, so on and so forth. And the course was taken by 5,134 participants. Now, all these trained faculty members are helping in building capacity of over 500,000 students in the colleges. This will be the largest such IP literacy program in academia in the country by any state education department. Now we are encouraging universities to introduce programs and courses on IP and allied areas, and I'm happy to note that over 15 universities in the state have already taken steps towards this goal. By next year, all universities in Gujarat have IP facilitation centers and an IP program. Our university IP centers will help the innovators in that region. They will also help MSMEs and other stakeholders. We are also aiming to ensure that sizable amount of IPs are being created and they get commercialized and reach the end users. And our state-level IP facilitation center at iHub is working towards this. We are also translating the IP guideline mandates into actionable agenda for all the universities and will provide sufficient support to all our universities towards this agenda. While China is filing 15 lakh IP per year, we as a nation have touched only 45,000. Both from a strategic and economic point of view, now it is very necessary for all of us as Indian citizens that our IP efforts and strategies in Gujarat through Education Department goes into nation building and fulfill the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.